Hello everyone. In this lecture I'm gonna tell you or show you how to compose a new email from two very famous email providers. I will start with Gmail, the Gmail email provider or the Google email provider. After you create an account and you choose your email and password, okay, all of these procedures we have finished, and now my email is ready. This is the interface of your Gmail. To compose a new mail, you have to go to this signage, this colorful cross written next to it, the word compose. Just click on it. We will see here a new window called new message. We can maximize it from here to have the full screen view. First thing, in the to tab bar, I have to write the email of the person I am sending the email to. Okay? For example, I will be sending this email to philip.robert@gmail.com. In the subject field, I'm going to write the subject of my email. My email, for example, I'm gonna talk or forward the minutes of meeting of yesterday's meeting. So I'll be writing here in the subject, yesterday's meeting minutes. As we explained before, I have to start my email with a greeting, a formal one. So I will be writing Dear Mr. After it, I write the last name, Robert, comma, good greetings, full stop. Then I start with an introductory sentence. I am writing you this email to forward you yesterday's meeting minutes. And then I have to go afterwards to write the body of the email. Then I have to close my email with a formal closing sentence, and then I can write best regards and my signature. But what I want to say here is everything regarding the email window. For example, how can I change the font? If I want to change the font of my email writing, I will be selecting this sentence. Then I have to go downwards. Can you see this drop down menu? When you stand on it, appears the word font. So I open this drop down menu. I can work with sans serif or I can use Vedana. Okay? It's obvious that my writing or my font writing has changed. Then if I wanna increase the font size, also I will be selecting the sentence, go down to the double T bar, and as I see here it says size. I open the drop down menu. What I acknowledge here is that the Google email provider doesn't give me the size by number. It gives me the size of the font by 4 different sizes: small, normal, large and huge. So if I want it a little bigger, I can choose large. See how it became bigger in size? Then if I want to emphasize a word, okay, I said no, 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 and never use exclamation marks. So I can use instead the bold or the italic technique. What I'll be doing here is, for example, I want to emphasize the word yesterday. So I will be selecting the word yesterday, We'll go down to this letter B, bold, and if I click the letter B, see, it went bold. If I want to use the italics technique, I'm gonna choose yesterday's word, go down to this letter I, it says italic, and I just click italic and it's bolded and in italics. Okay? And this is how I use the options, the different options in the Google email provider.